TSMC reported a stellar first quarter at its earnings call on Thursday. Consolidated revenue reached 592.64 billion NT, and earnings per share hit 8.7 NT, a new high for the quarter.
Looking ahead, TSMC CEO C.C. said the April 3rd earthquake and the April power price hike could have a minor impact on TSMC's gross margin in the second quarter.
TSMC announced exceptional figures in the first quarter. Consolidated revenue stood at 592.64 billion NT and earnings per share at 8.7 NT. As TSMC expands globally to meet client demand, it's also facing higher costs associated with overseas factories.
We do encounter some kind of higher cost in the overseas, or even recently the inflation and the electricity. We expect our customer to share some of the higher costs with us.
The chipmaker said it would evaluate ways to share the higher costs with clients. It also gave an update on its global expansion. 3 fabs are under construction in the US. The first is slated to enter mass production in the first half of 2024. The second and third are expected to come online between 2028 and 2030. TSMC's second fab in Japan's Kumamoto prefecture is expected to start production in 2027. The company's project in Dresden, Germany will mostly focus on automobile and industrial chips. TSMC is also facing higher costs in Taiwan after electricity rates rose on April 1st.
Primarily due to impact from the earthquake on April 3rd, as just discussed, and higher electricity costs in Taiwan. TSMC's electricity price in Taiwan has increased by another 25% starting April 1st this year. This is expected to take out 70 to 80 basis points from our second quarter gross margin.
The April 3 earthquake and rising electricity bills are expected to have a minor effect on gross margin. But with its long-term outlook still strong, TSMC's leadership in the sector remains unthreatened.